Alright, we're paddling through the tunnel here, trying to make our way out to the lake. We're getting the hang of it. We're kind of beaving and bobbing forth, but about to come out. And we made it to the outside, and we're out in the water. Going under a bridge.
Yeah, put this over you.
We're heading into this creek. We don't know where we're going. But we'll view it.
What is right over there? It's like pointed there.
Everybody get to paddling because we're losing our right side. Still at it. That was me.
I'm all wet now.
Had a little mess hat. Betsy's back here in the back of the canoe.
Oh, thank goodness it's right. Oh,
And Daddy almost lost his paddle and almost tipped us over. We're finishing up our canoeing trip. You enter down there and you exit out there. But we're done now. It's been a fun trip. And we're heading into the tunnel. Just paddle us on down. On the other side. On the other side, obviously, so you don't hit anything.
It looks like we're swimming in a bunch. In a bunch of oil. In a bunch of oil.
Let's keep going. Oh, we should have rented that. Look, I know you could rent boats.